Hey! What's up guys? So for today's video, manonood tayo ng isang concert by Coach Bamboo and Sarah G sa Doha, Qatar. So yun nga guys, first time ko lang makita si Coach Bamboo na pumiyok sa isang performance. Disclaimer guys, hindi ako singer, hindi ako expert, at hindi ako basher ni Coach Bamboo. And I'm not sure kung piyok ba to or style lang or part ng kanta. To be honest guys, I'm a big fan of Coach Bamboo, and yung first ever concert ng Sarah G and Bamboo sa Araneta, present ako dyan. And of course, the River Maya reunion concert, present din ako dyan. So ganyan ako ka-fan ni Coach Bamboo. Rock and roll! So let's watch it, let's go! Alright, so let's watch it. Bumaba si Coach Bam. Alright. The best talaga yung tandem na The best talaga yung tandem na to. Ashboo. Hashtag Ashboo. Angas din ng drummer guys. Ito na ata yun eh, yung mataas na part. Yun guys, ulitin natin. Alright guys, kung piyok man yun, grabe pa rin yung bawi ni Coach Bamboo. Powerful yung vocal talaga niya. Sobrang lupit. Grabe. Grabe. Grabe guys. Grabe din si Coach Shara. Coach Shara. Grabe. Grabe na sustain ni Coach Shara yung yung note na yun. Taas. Sa Araneta nun guys, grabe. Grabe yung performance ko guys. Grabe na ulit. Sorry. Siguro guys, dahil sa pagod na din yun, kaya pumiyok. I'm not sure kung piyok yun. Kasi before the concert in Doha, Qatar with Sarah G, may gig pa si Coach Bamboo sa Bayambang, Pangasinan. Meron siyang concert dun. At present ako dyan. Ito yung video ko. So yun guys, siguro pagod na din. Kasi after nyan, 2 days ata, nag-flight na ata sila. Hindi ako sure. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and let's support Coach Bamboo and Sarah G concert sa kanilang world tour. Yung last is sa Dubai, di ko alam yung next. And of course, the River Maya reunion concert, mayroon silang world tour. Kung di nagkakamali sa Australia, US, Canada, and so on. See you in the next vlog. Peace! Love. Oh.